the time it kind of reacted though because it looks dull and blackish. Actually pure metal is not. It's just coated on the surface, it has reacted. So what I'm going to do is to show you the fresh surface. See, this is the lousiest knife I can ever find. It's not sharp at all. I couldn't find a good one. But you see, you cannot never, any metal you cannot cut. Right? But if you have a metal like this, like lithium, I'm going to try and see that I can cut it into 2 pieces. Right? It's tough to watch it. Everybody's wearing goggles. It's a little bit harder. But I can cut it though. I have cut it into 2 pieces. Look at that. So that I would call it a soft. Okay? So this is a soft metal. And I wanted to show you carefully. The cut surface is shiny. Can you see it? It's shinier because it's freshly cut. That's why it is shiny. Okay? Now I'm going to drop it. Maybe you want to be a little bit of it. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it. And you want to actually bend over because you can't see it. I don't want to raise the beak now. So you want to bend over and bend it over what happens. Okay? This is lithium though. So it reacts. So you can bend over and watch it a little bit. And make a note of it because later on you're going to write these observations. Okay? I just wanted to bring this a little bit down so that the smoke doesn't get into your nose. So you don't want to be too close because it might smell. The smoke is not good.
That's sick.
Okay. And also, once this is done, could you take a piece of this out of it? Just one strip would be. Take it and take one strip out. Okay, one strip. That's okay. 2 is okay. You have 2, that is fine.
Watch out for this corrosion.
Okay. Do you think it's finished reacting? All the metal kind of disappeared? Okay. Now this is okay. What I want to do is I want to take this solution. This solution is water to start with, so water is neutral. So why don't you drop it into the water? Just to see what happens to that litmus. I don't want to pull it through a glass rod. You can see it's turning blue. So the red litmus turns blue, and what happens to the blue litmus? Take a blue litmus. Oh man, you know what I can't use my hand. This is purple one. Good. That's kind of purple or blue, and put that in. So that is also ultimately turning blue. So what is that telling about that solution now? So that's the thing I want you to keep in mind for now. Okay, we are done one. Just keep in mind, okay? I'm going to do the next metal. So take the next beaker, leave it here. Okay. Okay, let me get the water out of my gloves. Like this, I don't want it to be. Just add a pen.
I know, I'm filming this.
It's not exciting. I don't know why it's not worth.
I know, like...
You can delete it right away, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's on YouTube. Vannon's class.
Okay. Now,
that's what happened with Jones. Yes.
Now, this is sodium in oil. And sodium is a little bit kind of okay. We have quite a bit of sodium in our school lab, but this all kept under lock and key though. You can see we have to watch out. And we wanted to soak out the oil because if I put it with the oil, what happens is it won't react. The oil will coat it, and then it won't let it mix with water. So I'm going to take the sodium and see how easy to cut now. Okay, and it is a big piece anyways. For you it thinks it's like a small piece, but it's really big. Okay, so I'm going to try and cut this also carefully into 2 pieces and watch the fresh surface and how easy I can cut it compared to lithium.
Well, it's tiny though.
So what it says is more than lithium, sodium it's even easier to cut, softer. That's a big chunk, but anyway, I'll take a chance because you are a good class.
Yes. Yeah. You get the big chunk.
Okay. Now, because every little bit of, see that one, if I by mistake say a tiny piece and let it, like if you're not careful and let it, if somebody touches it, it's harmful. for somebody spills water and put it in the sink just to clean it, it catches fire. So that's why you really have to watch out every little piece. That's why I'm careful, and I wanted you to. Okay. Now what I want you to do is you want to move a little bit away this time. A little bit away, and then later on you can come and watch it, but a little bit. Everybody's wearing goggles, right? You should be a little bit away if you're not wearing goggles. Okay. Okay, guys, a little bit away from me, okay? I'll let you know after the reaction, okay?
Come out. Bam. Whoa.
Okay.
What's next?
It's a circle now.
It's a sphere, not a circle.
Okay.
Damn, this guy's like serious.
Okay. Let's see how it goes. Don't get close to it till the smoke is there so you can watch
You
the
can't
whole
see
thing.
all things. I can see it.
It's still reacting. There it is. There was a little bit of a spark.
It's writing my name, you know. That's why it's making it too long.
If it's writing your name, it will be burning all night.
So it's going pretty fast. When it gets slow, it runs around pretty fast. Okay. Now I want a little bit of litmus just to double check. Could you get just a thing? Oh, you have it? Okay, good. Okay. Anyway, you're wearing goggles, right? Is everyone a little bit? I just want to make sure sometime. Okay, just drop it in. Perfect. And it is blue. Okay. So it is a base. So I want to take that away and keep it here.
Is the water warm or is it like
Cool water. It's actually cool water. I got it while you were doing the test. I just got it from the tap water.
But doesn't turn it warm? What if you did it in warm
You
water?
mean warm water? It becomes warm, you mean?
Yeah.
If I use a lot of it, it will become warm. But I'm using small pieces, right?
What happens
Not,
if you use warm water?
it could throw the temperature up a bit. Okay? I'm using it purposefully with a lot of water because I don't want it to go up. It could break the beaker sometimes.
That'd be weird.
If I'm not careful. Okay.
Someone else's water looks clean.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay.
Which is?
Which is the potassium. Yeah. Banana has a potassium ion. This is potassium
Remember
melt.
potassium lactate?
Big difference. Big difference. Okay.
You don't remember? No. Oh man, so cool. Cannot really, but hey.
Okay. Well, okay. That is a fairly big chunk of potassium. I wouldn't put that in, but I'm going to actually cut that also.
Cut a tiny piece out.
And maybe half, a little bit bigger if you guys get.
Yeah.
And when I put the knife, I can see very easily it cuts. And
It's
you
a
can
dull knife.
you can see it is it is a very dull knife. Okay, so I got that small potassium. I'll keep it here. If you want to do it, I can do it one more time. We'll see.
Okay, then you copy first. And you put both of them together?
No, not together. Let's try one. Okay.
Swapping first. Come over here.
Okay, so find out. That's the whole idea of doing it. I'm not going to say anything yet until you see the observations, right?
Means like move back 10 feet.
Which is the smaller one of the two?
The one on the right.
The
one
I'm-
you're doing right
The
now.
one I'm doing now. Okay, let's try with the smaller one. Okay, move a bit, guys.
Move back.
Move a bit.
Watch your earpiece.
No.
Okay. Okay, so everyone okay with that?
Recording.
Damn.
Whoa!
That's hot.
No wonder you put two of them together.
No wonder I didn't put the two.
Everyone got a...
Let's make sure the smoke is disappeared, and I'll put the other one too if you want.
You're gonna record that?
What is that?
Then you can title the video "Science That Power." Science is power. I'll become potassium. Watch me burn up in flames.
No, it'll turn into Mochi Man.
Okay.
Oh. Video's on black.
Okay, ready? Move a little bit.
And in bananas.
Yes, put bananas in water and that one.
Wow, that was
Really big.
that was bigger than the first one.
Boy,
Good, that's it, guys. Perfect. Let's make a little note of it, last we got, and then that's it, we're done. It's finished.